children. I welcome you all back to our EVS class. How are you? Are you fine? Are you happy today? If you are happy, what will you do? Smile. All of you please smile. Good. Be happy always, okay? Now we have to revise what we have learned earlier. We studied about wild animals. Some animals live in jungles. They are called wild animals. Can you say a name to wild animals? Yes. Deer and hippopotamus. Then who is the king of the jungle? Yes. Lion is the king of the jungle. Then name our national animal. Yes, tiger is our national animal. Okay. Now shall we move to the new lesson? All of you please take your EVS textbook. Open to page number 32. Did you get this page? Children, today we will know about animals and their homes. Animals and their homes. Children, where do we live? We live in our homes. In the same way, animals also need a home to be safe. Some animals make their own homes, but homes of farm animals are made by us. Listen, there are different kinds of animals and their homes. All of you look. This is a spider. Spider. Where does a spider live? It lives in a web. Web. Then this is a hen. Hen. It lives in a coop. Coop. Its house is coop. Then this is a bird. It lives in a nest. Nest. Its home is nest. This is a lion. It lives in a den. Den. See, this is a cow. Cow is kept in shed. Its home is shed. See, this is a bee. Bees build their own house, which is called beehive. Beehive. Honeybee, its home is beehive. See, this is a kennel. Kennel. Whose house is this? Dog. Dog. Its home is kennel. Understand? Then, this is a monkey. It lives on trees. Monkey. Its home is tree. Then this is a horse. It lives in a stable. Stable. Say once again. Spider. Its home is web. Hen, coop. Bird, nest. Lion, den. Cow, shed. Bee, beehive. Dog, kennel. Monkey, tree. Horse, stable. Is it clear? All of you please look at the page number 33. Now Jibble Mom is going to introduce animals that make the sounds. Animals that make the sounds. Children, how do you make sound when you are happy? How do you make sound when you cry? Like us, all animals also make sounds. They cannot speak or talk, but they make sounds to communicate. Today we will learn how animals talk by making sounds. All of you listen carefully. This is an elephant. Elephant. What is the sound of an elephant? Trumpet. Trumpet. See, listen. Which animal makes this sound? Cow. The cow moves. Then this is a bird. What sound it makes? Chirp. Chirp. Have you ever heard in the morning like this sound? Yes. Then listen. Meow. Meow. Which animal makes this sound? Cat. Cat. The cat mews. Okay. Then this is a dog. It can bark. It can bark. Bow, bow. Bow, bow. It can bark. Then this is a lion. It can roar. Grrr. Grrr. It can roar. Then this is a duck. Quack, quack. Quack, quack. What is the sound of the duck? Quack, quack. Then this is a snake. Sound. Hiss. Hiss. What is the sound of this snake? Hiss. Hiss. Did you understand? Children, shall we do some activities? All of you please look at the page number 31. Listen. Tick the favorite food of the animals or bird. You have to select the correct answer and put a tick mark in the column. What is the favorite food of monkey? Onion or banana? Banana. Please put a tick mark in the column. Next one, rabbit. What is the favorite food of rabbit? Carrot or mango? Yes, carrot. Put a tick mark. Then goat. What is the favorite food of goat? Pumpkin or grass? Yes, grass. Put a tick mark in the column. Next one, dog. What is the favorite food of dog? Bone or strawberry? Yes, bone. Then listen. What does a parrot eat? It eats grains. So, you have to put the tick mark in the column. What is the favorite food of cat? Orange or milk? Yes, milk. All of you please turn to the next page. Page number 32. Animals and their homes. Listen carefully. Write the names of the animals in the blank boxes. Look at the pictures. There are animals and their homes. See, web. Web. Whose house is this? Spider. Spider lives in a web. Next one, coop. Coop. It is a house of hen. All of you write hen in the column. Then see nest. Nest. This is a bird's nest. Whose house is this? Bird. Please write bird in the column. Next one, den. Den. A lion lives in a den. Please write lion. Lion, den. Next one, shed. Shed. The cow lives in a shed. Please write cow. Cow. See, beehive. Beehive. Bees live in a beehive. Honey bees live in a beehive. Please write honey bee. Next one, kennel. Kennel. Whose house is this? Yes, dog. Dog. Dog lives in a kennel. Next one, tree. Tree. Monkey lives on trees. Please write monkey. Monkey. Then stable. Stable. Whose house is this? A horse lives in a stable. All of you write horse. Please turn to the next page. All of you please look at the page number 33. Sound of animals. Listen. Write the names of the animals that make the sound. Animals make different sounds. How do these animals make sounds? Look at the picture. This is an elephant. What is the sound of an elephant? Trumpet. Trumpet. Next one. Cow. Moo. The cow moves. Please write cow. Next one. Chip. Chip. The sound of a bird is chirp. Please write bird. Bird. Next one. The cat mews. The cat mews. Please write cat. Cat. Next one. Listen. Which animal is this? Yes. The dog barks. The dog barks. Please write dog in the column. Next one. Roar. The lion roar. The lion roar. Please write lion. Next one. Quack. Quack. The duck says quack. Please write duck. Next one. See. Hiss. Hiss. Which animal make this noise? Yes. Snake. Snake. Have you completed, children? Please take your EVS notebook. Open it. Write the date in the margin and heading. Homes of animals. Listen. Spider, web. Hen, coop. Bird, nest. Lion, den. Cow, shed. Bee, beehive. Dog, kennel. Horse, stable. You should learn these words. Thank you, children. See you. Bye.